we have to round to the nearest dollar. We have 34.39. When we have to round to the nearest dollar, it means we don't want any digits after decimal point. So the last digits which we need is before decimal point is 4. So we need to round our number to the ones, because first digit before decimal point is ones. We need to underline our ones because we will round our number to the ones. Next, what we have to do, we have to check the digits which is after our underlined digit is 3. When we have less than 5 after our underlined digits, what we have to do, we copy our underlined digits for decimal point we rewrite, and every digit after our underline number we have to change to zeros, and the number, the digits which we have before our underline digit we have to rewrite. So we have 34.00, so we can write that this is $34. Next number we have 9456 decimal point 99. We need to round to the nearest dollar. How we do this? Because we need to round to the nearest dollar, it means we don't want to have the cents, the digits after decimal point. So the last digit which we want is ones. We have 6 ones. So we need to round this number to the nearest ones. How we do this? First we have to underline the digits to which we have to round our number. Next we have to check the digits which is after our underlined number is 9. What it means? When we have 5 or more after our underlined digits, we need to add 1 to our underlined digits. So to 6 we need to add 1. What else? Every digit after our underlined number we need to change to zeros. So 9 and 9 we will change to 0. Decimal point we copy, and now we have to add 6 plus 1 is 7. And now every digit which we have before our underlined digits we have to copy. So 5 we copy, 4 you copy, and 9. And dollar symbol. So what we got? We have $9,457.